Yeah, so I don't know if women like to do this, but it's definitely a guy thing that once you do something, you know, you take a while to do it. You just stand here and just look at it, just admire your work and be stoked. Yeah, like if I had a bag of chips right now, I'd just be eating them and looking at this and being like, yeah, that's what's up. I did that. So ladies, let me know. Do y'all like to do this too? Check it out. This took a long time. Fuck yeah, dog. Should be good for a little bit. Maybe a day.